Hi, my name is Carrina Lau. In this channel, you'll learn tips on how to have more clarity, focus, productivity, and better night's sleep. So we breathe about 23,000 breaths a day automatically. And breath is life. So have you ever wondered if we pay attention to our breath, how it could improve the quality of our day? If you have that curiosity, please keep watching because by the end of the video, you'll learn 3 simple steps on how to improve your quality of your day with mindful breathing. So step 1 is building the foundation. So if the first thing you do in the morning is to reach for the phone, I invite you to try something different. When you get up, plant your feet on the floor and place your hands on the heart, simply taking some nice deep breath. Breath is life, and feeling how awesome it is that you could breathe again and you have a brand new day ahead of you. Who do you want to connect with? What kind of accomplishment do you want to achieve? What kind of experience do you want to have? What kind of food do you want to eat? Hear it, feel it, see it, taste it. How we start our morning determines the quality of our day. Step 2, choose your thoughts. According to some research, as many as 98% of our thoughts are the same as the one we had the day before. So a lot of thoughts are from the past. But when we take a breath, it brings us back to the present moment where we can create anything we want. Anything is possible. Because the only thing we have control is now. Right here, right now. Step 3, using the breath as an anchor to the present moment. Because in the present moment, it's like a blank canvas. You could create anything. Everything is fresh, the ideas are new, the past is history, and the future is mystery. When your mind drifts away, simply bring it back by anchoring with the breath, without any judgment. When your mind drifts away again, simply bring it back by taking another nice deep breath. So let's take some deep breaths together. The breath we're going to be taking today is called the breath of peace. We're going to be doing 4 count slow inhalation and 8 count slow exhalations. When we lengthen the exhalations, we're activating our parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and digest system. All right? So please sit up straight. Imagine there's a string hanging from the ceiling to the top of your crown, and your spine is straight, and feeling your sit bone sitting on a chair or on the floor. So we're going to be inhaling through our nose, deeply engaging a diaphragm, and exhalation through our nose. So please take a breath in and take a breath out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Feeling the cool air entering your nostrils, bringing the air into a deeper part of your lungs, engaging your diaphragm, feeling your belly expand as you inhale and contract as you exhale, and lastly, feeling the air leaving your nostrils. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. last time. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So I would love to hear your comment. What do you do to improve the quality of your day? If you could please put the comment below. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends. So I prepare an ebook on why deep breathing is beneficial to the body. You could simply click the link below to download. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.